Sunday Gospel Reflection for August 11, 2024. So, ang Gospel ngayon is yung Bread of Life Discourse. So, yung first reading up to the Gospel is about yung paano tayo kino-comfort ni Lord. It is one of the most theological thing as Christians and as Catholic, no? Which is yung mga Hudyo is hindi naniniwala doon kasi paano yung isang taong makikita nila ay magiging pagkain at inumin. I mean, that shows that yung Holy Eucharist is a cure for spiritual nourishment. Hindi lang yun. Once you receive Holy Communion and with the faithful prayer, nawawala yung lungkot natin. Yun ang ano ngayon eh. Yung lahat tayo dumadaan sa lungkot, sa depression. And how do people handle depression or coping up with depression? Different from all people. Yung coping up mechanism ng mga tao, it's different. Pero sinasabi nga ni Father Joel Gattus na huwag mong i-judge, which is lahat naman tayo nagmimintis dito eh. Kasi kadalasan, yun yung sinasabi ko, hindi naman kailangan ng taong nade-depress yung sermon. Kaso kasi minsan, hindi naman sa gina-justify ko siya. Kasi minsan, tayo, we are the ones creating our own depression. And then magtatanong kayo, bakit kayo nade-depress? It's because minsan kayo rin yung may dahilan. Because sometimes, hindi nyo pinag-iisipan at hindi nyo pinagdadasal kung tama ba yung gagawin nyo. Para sa akin, ganun yun. Nade-depress tayo kasi hindi tayo humihingi ng guidance from above. Or pag nagko-communion tayo, hindi every Sunday, pag nagsisimba tayo sa Mass or sa online Mass by spiritual communion, hindi tayo humihingi ng guidance Yun, wag kang mag-judge. 2 is, hindi kailangan ng sermon, just be there. Your presence is required, so be it. Shoulder to cry on. So basically, ganun lang yun. Kasi yung first reading pa lang yung sinasabi mong act of love, being there for that person, it's something. Diba? Pero sometimes kasi yung paninermon na, medyo lilihis ako ng konti dun sa sinabi ni Father Joel. Kasi nga, you cannot, minsan kasi, malakas tayong magsabi towards other people, pero pag sa atin, hindi natin kaya tanggapin. And being a person with disability, how many times na ako naka-experience ng depression? Pero with a strong resolve, nakayanan ko. I mean, hindi ko naman sinasabing napakabait kong bata or what, but sinasabi ko lang is, mahirap kasing maging katuwaan ng iba. So, yun lang yun. Yun na yun. God is the only source God is only our comfort zone. And through prayer, yun na yung prayer dialogue with the Lord. Isabihin, para hindi ka magkamali sa lahat ng gagawin mo, pray. Ganun lang yun. Kasi prayer, if you do things with prayer, hindi ka made-depress. Especially bago mo gawin yung isang bagay. Kasi, parang sinasabi mo, Lord, guide me, bahala ka na. You allow God to take control. So, walang depression. Matatanggap mo kahit anong result. So, yun lang po.